Hello, blissful souls. We all know that water is one of the most essential components necessary for us to survive. So today, let's express gratitude for this wonderful thing that we have. We all have access to fresh, clean drinking water, and it is a great blessing. So today, I want you to be conscious throughout the day, and whenever you're drinking water, just take a pause, take a moment to appreciate the fact that you have water, express gratitude, say thank you so much, universe, for the fresh, clean drinking water, and then you can have that water. And in summers, most of you must be having access to cold water. It is such a blessing because so many people are there who don't have access to cold water, even in hot summers. So if you have access to that, express gratitude for your refrigerator and say thank you so much, universe, for the availability of water. I'm really blessed. So just do this practice throughout the day, and if you do it successfully, at the end of the day, I want you to come back to this video and write down done. Have a wonderful day ahead. We'll be meeting at night.